Ladies and gentlemen, will you rise for our graduates? You all may be seated. Good afternoon, everyone. Let's try it again. Good afternoon, everyone. That's much better. Hello, I'm Dr. Brian Embody. I'm the president of Neosho County Community College. And on behalf of the Board of Trustees and the faculty and staff of the institution, I bid you welcome to this wonderful occasion. We got very lucky with the weather today. It's quite a gorgeous day, and we're here to honor these wonderful healthcare graduates who are getting their pins today. We're very, very proud of each and every one of them, so congratulations to all of you. Today we'll be honoring some students individually with different awards and then giving them their healthcare pins or souls as they cross the stage. But then later tonight at 7 p.m. we have formal graduation. Will they get their degree cover, and we'll honor them as college graduates as well. So it's quite a day, quite an auspicious occasion. I want to take this occasion to say some thank yous first to all of our faculty and staff. From the moment they've applied to the college to getting them here today, I want to say thank you to all of you for all that extra work and effort you've done to make sure they're successful and to get them here today. We also know that the students that have a great support system have the best chance of getting through that process and getting all the way through to graduation and to be honored here today. And we know that means you out there in the audience, their family and friends who supported them through these different trials and tribulations of getting their degree or certificate. And so I want to say to you, thank you for your support for them as well. Without further ado, I'd like to introduce Dr. Sarah Robb, the Vice President of Student Learning and the Chief Academic Officer of Neosho County Community College.
Thank you, Dr. Embody. Good afternoon. Today's ceremony will go down in history as the first time Neosho County Community College has been able to celebrate the success of all of our healthcare program students in the same ceremony. I want to thank all the students present today for being a part of this special event. I also want to take the time to say thank you for dedicating your hard work and future careers to patient care. These programs are difficult, and careers in these fields are so important for human health and well-being. Thank you for having the strength and determination to follow your dreams into your chosen career path. I'd now like to introduce the senior administrators and members of the Board of Trustees on stage. Dr. Amber Vail, Executive Director of Allied Health. Dr. Brenda Crum, Dean for Outreach and Workforce Development. Ms. Sandy Solander, Chief Financial Officer. Dr. Brian Embody, President. Mr. Dennis Peters, Chairman of the Board of Trustees. Ms. Lori Kiblinger, Vice Chair of the Board of Trustees. Mr. David Peter, Trustee, and Mr. Brian Schultz, Trustee. Thank you all for being here. Individual program directors will be introduced as they present. And at this time, I would like to welcome Rochelle Cosby, Assistant Director of the Health Information Technology and Healthcare Clinical Support, to introduce the phlebotomy and medical assistant programs.
Phlebotomy is the success of our graduates would not be possible without the support of our instructors. At this time, I would like to introduce our faculty of our clinical healthcare support programs as provided in the pinning program. Dawn, Amy, Sarah, Maddie, Stacy, and Jeanette. Phlebotomy technicians are vital members of the healthcare team, known for their exceptional communication skills and hand dexterity. These professionals collect blood samples in labs, hospitals, blood donation centers, or clinics and prepare them for testing, all while using excellent communication skills to put the patients at ease. The phlebotomist's role is not for the faint of heart, as it often involves managing patients who may indeed faint before, after, or while the needle is still in their arm. At this time, we would like to recognize our program student awards. If you would please stand. Clinical Excellence Award for Ottawa, Cadence Newkirk. Clinical Excellence Award for Chanute, Stephanie Stark. Clinical Excellence Award for La Harpe, Hyacinth Wells Erie. Our Program Academic Achievement Award, this was a tie for Riley Marie Woods and Faith Warden. Outstanding Phlebotomy Technician, Ottawa Campus, Kalinda Franklin. And Outstanding Phlebotomy Tech for Chanute, Nastasia Goforth. Congratulations to you all. Next, I'm going to share about medical assistant. The responsibility of the medical assistants are the dynamic as the environments they work in, and they trust the providers that they work for. In smaller practices, they become versatile multitaskers, juggling both administrative and clinical aspects. In larger practices, they may specialize in particular areas. Their adaptability and wide-ranging skills, from scheduling appointments to administrating injections, make them indispensable in the healthcare settings. At this time, I'd like to recognize our program awards. Clinical Excellence Award for Ottawa's Emery Kitt. Excellent Award for the Chanute Campus, Josie Huffman. Emory was also our Program Academic Achievement Award. Congratulations. Next, Jalen Brown will provide the introduction of medical coding and health information technology.
The success of our graduates would not be possible without the support of our instructors. At this time, I'd like to introduce our coding and health information technology program instructors, Carrie, Jennifer, Sarah, Josh, Catherine, Jeanette, and Dawn, as listed in your program. Medical coding and billing careers are the lifeblood of healthcare. Ensuring that the revenue stream remains open and operational, these professionals also provide crucial data for public health and national registries. Because medical coders transform the complex medical diagnoses and procedures into universal codes, they drive the healthcare industry forward. At this time, we'd like to recognize our program student awards. If you would please stand. Clinical Excellence Award in Ottawa, Samantha Weber. Clinical Excellence Award, Chanute, Donna McKenzie. Program Academic Achievement Award, also Donna McKenzie. Our Outstanding Medical Coding Graduate for Ottawa is Cassandra Totting. And the Outstanding Medical Coding Graduate, Chanute Haley Stevens. Congratulations. Next, I'm going to share about health information technology, so you can have a seat. Health information technology, or HIT, is an exciting blend of business, health science, and information technology. It plays a pivotal role in acquiring, analyzing, and safeguarding medical information. The settings where these professionals work are vast and varied, often serving as a vital link between administrative, clinical, and operational functions. They ensure the integrity, confidentiality, and security of patient medical records. Even though you may not see them, these professionals are some of your biggest advocates as a champion for quality, patient care, just without dealing with the blood and body fluids. At this time, we'd like to recognize our program awards. If you would please stand. Clinical Excellence Award for Ottawa, Bambi Jenkins. Clinical Excellence Award for Chanute Haley Stevens. Program Academic Achievement Award, Bambi Jenkins. Outstanding HIT Graduate, Ottawa, was also Bambi Jenkins. And our Outstanding HIT Graduate for Chanute was Lisa Long. Congratulations. Next, Peggy Carmen will provide an introduction on occupational therapy assistance.
Each of us is unique, and so are the occupations that shape our lives. When unexpected challenges arise, like a heart attack or substance abuse, an accident, or a difficult diagnosis, occupational therapy practitioners step in to help people return to the activities that give life meaning. Occupational therapy assistants, or OTAs, are licensed professionals who work under the guidance of an occupational therapist. Together, they support individuals across the lifespan, promoting health and helping people live better with injury, illness, or disability, always with the goal of restoring independence and dignity. I have the privilege of working with an incredible group of faculty who are dedicated to shaping the next generation of compassionate, skilled OTA professions. A heartfelt thank you to Dee Steinbach, Jen Blaine, Danelia Robert, Katie Turpin, and Nicole Bazil for your unwavering commitment to student success and to the OTA program. Graduates, today we honor your hard work, your passion, and your dedication to this meaningful profession. Congratulations. At this time, I would like to announce the Occupational Therapy Assistant Award recipients. When I call your name, please stand. Outstanding Occupational Therapy Assistant, Ashlyn Westlow. OTA Academic Excellence Award, Kalissa Gertz. OTA Fieldwork Excellent Award, Nikki Fulk. Congratulations. Next, Jennifer Kane will provide an introduction to the Surgical Technician Program.
The surgical technology profession is a specialized field of healthcare that is focused on safe and successful surgical care. Surgical technologists work alongside surgeons, nurses, and anesthesiologists to ensure a sterile environment, manage surgical instruments and supplies, and anticipate the needs of the surgical team. They are highly trained professionals who play a critical role before, during, and after surgery. This demanding and rewarding career requires an associate degree and a strong foundation in both technical skill and patient care. I'm proud to work alongside someone who is as passionate about the surgical technology profession as I am, Jennifer Ferguson. Your dedication, yes, please. Your dedication, precision, and professionalism inspire our students and peers alike. Thank you for everything you do. At this time, it's my honor to present the academic awards for outstanding achievement in surgical technology. If I call your name, please stand. Outstanding surgical technology graduate, Lauren Reynolds. Academic Excellence Award, Madeline McAfee. Clinical Distinction Award, Paige Hilt. Congratulations, graduates. Next, Laura Mallett will provide an introduction on our nursing program.
The Mary Grimes School of Nursing proudly offers a dynamic bi-level program designed to empower students to excel in their nursing careers. In the first stage, students earn a practical nursing, or LPN, certificate and gain the opportunity to take the LPN NCLEX. Upon completing the second year, students will not only earn an associate degree, but also prepare to take the RN NCLEX and become registered nurses. This structured pathway ensures that students have a clear and achievable route to advancing their professional journey in nursing. Moreover, we provide an LPN to RN articulation program, which offers licensed practical nurses the ability to earn an associate degree in just 1 year. This is all possible due to the great faculty we have at NCCC. The academic awards and the articulation awards and outstanding award I will announce, and as I call your name, please stand. The academic award for LPN is Deborah Pilgrim. The academic award for Level 2 RN is Ethan West. The Articulation Academic Award is Cecilia Nija. Outstanding Nursing Student Award Level 1 PN is Matthew Foreman. Outstanding Non-Traditional Nursing Student Award Level 1 is Sue Kim. Outstanding nursing student for Level 2 award is Savannah Pryor. Outstanding Nursing Student Award for Level 2 RN Hybrid is Tracy Marr. ahead and please sit. Nursing faculty, I'd like to introduce members who've worked with these students over the past couple years. Please stand as I call your name. Members of the full-time nursing faculty in Chanute campus are Janet Mitchell, Dr. Haley Kepley, Melissa Swartz and Melissa Lawrence are also faculty but couldn't join us today. Cheryl Van Hemert. Cheryl is our hybrid instructor that teaches on both campuses. Our Ottawa nursing faculty is Diane Beadle, Amber Blasphus, Mary Edwards, Shannon Harvey, and Jenna Taylor. In addition to the full-time faculty, we also have part-time clinical faculty that work with the nursing students in the clinical area. These individuals are listed in the program section, and we are grateful for the excellent work these individuals do with our students and proud to have them as part of our faculty. On the awards, I have a couple awards for faculty. The Daisy, it's not Disneyland, but it's Daisy. Daisy Extraordinary Nurse Educator this year is Dr. Haley Kepley. Dr. Kepley goes above and beyond. Yes. Dr. Kepley goes above and beyond to help us succeed. She's always there if we need extra studying or help when it comes to preparing for exams. She's fun and spunky, which makes it easy to focus on lectures when she teaches. Dr. Kepley genuinely cares about our success, and she's very knowledgeable, informative, and able to effectively answer all of our questions about concepts. Congratulations. Our second Daisy Award is a Lifetime Achievement Award. This goes to Cheryl Van Hemert, Cheryl thinks she's retiring this year, but I don't know for sure. So anyway, she has been an instructor with Mary Grimes School of Nursing for 18 years, and she started as a clinical adjunct in 2008, moving into a full-time faculty instructor position. She's been a nurse for 38 years and working in pre-op, PACU, nurse recruiter manager, ICU, CCU, telemetry, OB, labor, and delivery. I think she's hit all the departments, making her a well-rounded instructor for our program.
It is now time to honor each student in their respective program with our pinning ceremony. Will the phlebotomy and medical assistant students please rise and come toward the stage?
From Chanute, Kansas, Gabriella Acuna. Gabby is planning to get a job within phlebotomy, and she wants to further her education later on. From Yates Center, we have Taylor Baker. She plans to attend Emporia State University to pursue her BSN. Next, we have Kimberly Barrett. From Iola, Kansas, Stephanie Fees. She hopes to continue her education in physical or occupational therapy. From Grandview, Missouri, Kalinda Franklin. She received a Voc Rehab Scholarship and the Academic Award and Outstanding Phlebotomy Technician Graduate for Ottawa. Next, from Humboldt, Kansas, Nastasia Goforth. She was a Chanute Outstanding Phlebotomy student. She plans to finish her medical assistant courses and obtain that certificate next fall. From Humboldt, Kansas, Lainey Hull. She plans to continue her education and become a physician assistant. From Independence, Kansas, Harley Monroe. She plans on furthering her education after graduation. Kendrella McCullough. She plans to attend KU once she graduates high school and major in nursing to become an RN. From Ottawa, Kansas, Nicolina or Nick Minter. She's working towards a degree in mortuary science. From Chanute, Kansas, Matthew Murray. He plans to continue in the medical assistant program. From Ottawa, Kansas, Cadence Newkirk. She received the Clinical Excellence Award for Ottawa, and she plans on starting in phlebotomy as well as looking on continuing her education. From Moran, Kansas, Emily Lee Robertson. She plans to continue her education and keep working towards a BSN. From Erie, Kansas, it's Stephanie Stark. Stephanie received a foundation scholarship. She's a member of Phi Theta Kappa. She received the Clinical Excellence Award for Chanute, and she plans to retire from teaching at the end of 2026 and begin a new career as a phlebotomist. Until she retires, she hopes to work part-time as a phlebotomist at a hospital or a clinic. Next, we have from Iola, Kansas, Samantha Stotskill. From Chanute, Kansas, is Chi-Ray Taylor. She plans to attend NCCC next year and complete her medical assistant certificate. From Iola, Kansas, it's Faith Marie Warden. She received the CTE Academic Award and the Academic Achievement Award at La Harpe. Her future plans are to take her CMA next year and pursue phlebotomy as a career after high school. She'll attend a 2-year college. From Fulton, Kansas, it's Hyacinth Daytona Wells Erie. She received the Clinical Excellence Award at La Harpe, and she plans to get phlebotomy experience at Freeman Hospital for a year, then come back to NCCC to get her medical assistant certificate. From Humboldt, Kansas, it's Rayleigh Marie Woods. She received the Academic Achievement Award at La Harpe. She plans to attend Baker University to get her BSN. From Thayer, Kansas, it's Chelsea Blair Bayer. She plans on continuing her education to become a nurse. Next, from Chinook, Kansas, is Josie Huffman. Josie received the Kansas Promise Scholarship. She's a student ambassador. She was an outstanding medical assistant student and the Clinical Excellent Award winner. She plans to work as a medical assistant for a few years and then go back to get her LPN and RN. Finally, we have the one and only Kalinda Franklin. She's receiving her medical assistant and phlebotomy technician.
Will medical coding and health information technology students now please rise and come forward?
Donna Lynn McKenzie from Erie, Kansas. She achieved her Clinical Excellent Fall Award, Academic Achievement Award. Samantha Margaret Weber, Ottawa, Kansas. She received the Clinical Excellence Award. Cassandra Sue Totten from Garnett, Kansas. She was the Outstanding Medical Coding graduate and had the Kansas Promise Scholarship. From Fredonia, Kansas, we have Hallie Stevens. She had the STARS Scholarship and the Kahima Scholarship and was awarded the Outstanding Coding Graduate in Chinook and the Clinical Excellence Award.
Will the occupational therapy assistant students please rise and come forward?
Lily Feuerborn from Garnett, Kansas, attended with the Promise Scholarship. Her plans are to pass her boards next and then work in a pediatric setting. Jessica Folk from Paola, Kansas, earned the Occupational Therapy Assistant Fieldwork Excellent Award, and she hopes to work in a skilled nursing unit soon. Evie Janke from Cottonwood Falls has accepted a position at a skilled nursing facility in Emporia, Kansas. Ashlyn Wislow from Wichita, Kansas, attended with the Kansas Promise Scholarship. Plans to go on and earn her bachelor's at Kansas Newman in psychology, and then work as a CODA in a skilled nursing facility.
Will the surgical technology students please rise and come forward?
Today we are draping the surgical technology graduates with a blue stole. The color blue is often associated with health, healing, integrity, seriousness, depth, and stability. It symbolizes trust, loyalty, wisdom, confidence, intelligence, faith, and truth. Deborah D. Grote from Olathe, Kansas. She plans to begin her career at Menorah Medical Center. Rosie Martinez, originally from Chihuahua, Mexico, currently residing in Lawrence, Kansas. She has been hired to work at Lawrence Memorial Hospital. Maddie McAfee from Wellsville, Kansas. She is a recipient of the Kansas Promise Scholarship, Academic Excellence Award, and she has accepted a position to work at Overland Park Eye Surgery Center. Maddie is also the Surgical Technology Scrub Club president. She's NCCC's most creative trunk or treat display as well. Lauren Elizabeth Reynolds from Ottawa, Kansas, received the Outstanding Surgical Technology Graduate Award, as well as NCCC's most creative trunk or treat display. She plans to work for the University of Kansas Health System at the Olathe campus. She is also the Surgical Technology Scrub Club treasurer. Madeline Ray White from Humboldt, Kansas. She is a recipient of the Service Scholarship, and she plans to start her career at Labette Health in Parsons, Kansas. She is also the Surgical Technology Scrub Club vice president.
Will Nursing Level 1 LPN students please rise and come forward?
From Humboldt, Kansas, we have Taylor Boren. Taylor plans to continue at Mary Grimes School of Nursing and eventually get her BSN. She would like to work in hospice care in the future. Jaden Carlberg. Hometown, Pittsburgh, Kansas. Jaden received the Kansas Promise Act and Neosho Memorial Regional Medical Center scholarships. She received the Practicum 2 OB Rotation Clinical Award. Jaden is thrilled to be continuing her education at Mary Grimes School of Nursing in the fall of 2025 to receive her RN Associate degree in nursing. Kaylee Deneau. Hometown is Fredonia, Kansas. She received the Kansas Promise Act scholarship. Kaylee plans to continue working at Fredonia Regional Hospital while pursuing her RN at Mary Grimes School of Nursing. Paige Dick from Hutchinson, Kansas. She received the Kansas Promise Act scholarship and the Panther Claw Award. Paige plans to pursue further education at Mary Grimes School of Nursing to receive her associate degree in nursing. Matthew Foreman from Fort Dodge, Iowa. Matthew received the Outstanding Nursing Student Level 1, Practicum 2 Clinical, and Practicum 2 OB Clinical Rotation Awards. Matthew is currently in the bachelor degree concurrent program through Kansas University. He would like to further his education to become a nurse practitioner once he has received his BSN from KU. Kelsey Goodner from Chinook, Kansas. She received the Promise Act Scholarship and the Virtual Reality Simulations Practicum 2 Award. Kelsey will continue on in Level 2 of the Mary Grimes School of Nursing program to obtain her RN and would like to work in pediatric nursing. Heidi Lilly from Chinook, Kansas. She received the Kansas Board of Regents and Mary Grimes School of Nursing scholarships. Heidi plans to continue her education to obtain her bachelor's degree in nursing while working in emergency medicine. Deborah Pilgrim from Yates Center, Kansas. Deborah received the following scholarships: the Albright Family, Mina Crouch, MGSN scholarships, and the Panther Elite. She's a member of Phi Theta Kappa and STARS. She received the Academic Award for Level 1 and the Practicum 1 and 2 Clinical Awards. Deborah plans on continuing her nursing journey through NCCC to obtain an RN and work in geriatrics. Madison Rands, hometown Chinook, Kansas. She received the Kansas Promise Act Scholarship. Madison plans to continue education at the Mary Grimes School of Nursing and get her RN. Taryn Ruess from Garnett, Kansas. She received the Kansas Promise Act and the ARC Foundation scholarships and the Panther Claw Award. Taryn's immediate plans are to pass her LPN boards and enjoy the summer before returning to complete her RN at the Mary Grimes School of Nursing. Terry Staggs from Erie, Kansas. He received the Practicum 1 and Peer Award for Level 1. Terry will pursue working in emergency medicine upon completing his associate's degree RN at NCCC. Demaya Webb from Parsons, Kansas. She received the Ellis Foundation and the Kansas Board of Regents scholarships. Demaya plans to work as an LPN at Good Samaritan Society in Parsons and continue schooling to obtain her bachelor's degree in nursing.
Will Nursing Level 2 RN students please rise and come forward?
Rebecca Augusto, hometown Garden Grove, California, and born in Mexico. Rebecca plans to continue her education and pursue becoming a nurse practitioner in family medicine. Ashley Andrig, hometown Colony, Kansas. Katrina Brown, hometown Lawrence, Kansas. Katrina plans to work in women's health. Bryn Dobbins, Chanute, Kansas. Tiffany Greenwood, hometown Lawrence, Kansas. She received the Kansas Promise Scholarship. Tiffany plans to pursue her BSN. Hallie Hay, hometown Silver Lake, Kansas. She is on the Vice President's Honor Roll. Howie plans to continue to work as a nurse in the Shawnee County Jail. Kayla Hightower, hometown Cherryville, Kansas. She received the Kansas Promise Act Scholarship. Kayla is the treasurer for the Student Nurse Association at NCCC. Kayla plans to finish working on her BSN and work as an OB nurse. Morgan Huseman, hometown Topeka, Kansas. Amy Johnson, hometown Wichita, Kansas. Amy's immediate plans are to have some lake time. Lauren Journey, hometown Hayesville, Kansas. Lauren's plans after graduation are passing her boards. Her dream is to pursue a job in hospital setting, focusing on critical care. Her goal is to improve her skills and knowledge to help not only patients, but also their families in high-need situations. Lauren is embracing her future with open arms and will continue to make her family proud and bring her dreams to reality. Tracy Marr, hometown Springfield, Missouri. Tracy received the first United Methodist Church of Blue Springs and NCC Foundation scholarships. She received the Level 2 Hybrid Outstanding Nursing Student Award. She plans to continue working at the Kansas City VA in the float pool as an RN and Children's Mercy Emergency Department. Ashley Martin from Unionville, Missouri. She received the Kansas Promise Scholarship. Ashley plans to start school and become a nurse practitioner in September and move back home to Missouri. Ariel McCauley, hometown Ottawa, Kansas. Ariel plans to help the youth in our society at Kids LTC. Catherine Miner, hometown Lawrence, Kansas. Catherine plans to complete a nurse residency program and get her bachelor's degree in nursing. Letitia Mumphrey, hometown is South Kansas City, Missouri. She did not receive scholarships. She self-paid, self-made. She is proud to know she achieved her goal on her own. She plans to pursue a BSN while working at KU Health Systems in telemetry. Cecilia Najagi. Her current hometown is Lee Summit, Missouri, but is originally from Kenya. She received the Articulation Academic Award. Cecilia plans to keep working in the area's nursing home, but hopes to join a hospital close to Lee Summit. Patty Osdale. Hometown is Baldwin City, Kansas. University of Kansas Health System Reaching for the Stars Scholarship. Patty plans to start nursing orientation in the operating room at the University of Kansas Health Systems in July. Savannah Pryor, hometown Humboldt, Kansas. She received the Kansas Promise Scholarship. Savannah is the Student Nurse Association president. She received the Outstanding Nursing Student Award for Level 2. Savannah plans to continue working at Hometown Healthcare in Fredonia as an RN with plans to gain a bachelor's degree. Rebecca Self, Hometown Parker, Kansas. Rebecca plans to work at the University of Kansas Health Systems on the Ortho Spine Unit. She will continue her education to receive her bachelor's in nursing. Cameron Steinbach, Hometown Princeton, Kansas. Cameron plans to continue working in geriatric nursing at Rock Creek of Ottawa Skilled Nursing Facility upon receiving her RN license. Dayla Wallace, Hometown Topeka, Kansas. She received the Kansas Promise Act scholarship and is a member of Phi Theta Kappa. Dayla is currently working as an occupational health nurse within the Topeka Goodyear plant. She would like to pursue a degree as a psychiatric mental health nurse practitioner and work in behavioral health. Ethan West, Hometown Chanute, Kansas. He received the academic award for level 2. Ethan is undecided on his future plans.
Will all the Allied Health outstanding students come forward to lead your oath? Allied Health students, please stand to recite your oath. Everyone, light your candles.
As an allied healthcare provider, I pledge to first do no harm, prioritize patient well-being, act with compassion and competence, uphold ethical standards, maintain confidentiality, practice within the scope of my expertise, and continuously strive to improve my knowledge and skills, all while respecting the dignity of my patients within my specific healthcare role.
Nurses, please rise.
Okay, here we go. I got it right here. When I falter, give me courage. When I tire, renew my strength. When I weaken, because I'm human, inspire me on to greater length. If doctors and patients become demanding and days are too short for all my duty, help me to remember I chose to serve, to do so with grace and spiritual beauty. In humility, Lord, I labor long hours, and though I may sometimes fret, my mission is mercy. Abide with me that I may never forget.
I want to thank you all for being here today for this exciting event. We're really proud to have all of our graduates here today. I want to remind everyone that at 7 p.m. tonight is full commencement, and of course you're invited back to go through that ceremony. You get to shake my hand yet again. That's reason enough to come, right? And you get a free degree cover. How can it be a deal like that? So come on out, enjoy commencement at 7 p.m. Next time you probably see my face, I might be on a gurney, so some extra care and kindness would be nice. Let's hit the vein on the first time, that kind of thing. If we could do that, I would appreciate it. But congratulations to you all. When we adjourn here today, make sure to go outside the building. Look how many people are here. They're never going to fit in that lobby. So please go all the way outside to meet your families, to take pictures. And once again, congratulations.